Hello and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am David Lewis. Just like every other person who is watching this video, it's up to you to achieve perfection as you pursue a fantastic outcome and make a good living in the process. Though you may not achieve perfection today, it is the act of chasing perfection that can produce an excellent outcome for your customer. And in the process, you can achieve excellence for yourself as well. The pursuit of perfection is a mindset you must put in place every day, from the moment you get up in the morning until you finish the day and lie down to sleep, feeling excellent about the day you're leaving behind. If you had a great day of success yesterday, you can enjoy the fact that your efforts to achieve perfection produced an excellent result for you and for the customers you served in the process. If for some reason you fell short of what your stated goal was for the day, you can rest in the knowledge that yesterday is behind you and you can get up tomorrow refreshed and ready again to pursue the quest for achieving perfection. Consider this quote: "If you chase perfection, you can catch excellence." This was the stated goal that legendary football coach and mentor Vince Lombardi passed on to his players every time they got on the field, ready to strive for the perfect game and win the day through the excellence of their efforts. So, what are you willing to do today to achieve excellence? Are you willing to chase perfection with every person you talk to today in the process of earning their business and selling them what you have to offer? If you have that mindset and strive for perfection today, you can achieve excellence in the process and go home happy tonight, having done your best to have a wonderful day earning excellence from your attempts to pursue perfection.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.